Hi guys, welcome to Bruhahas. How have you been, guys? I'm back after so long. I keep getting comments about like hostel things, so I thought because like hostel tour is one of the most viewed videos of my channel, so I thought I'll make another small videos regarding the comments that you have guys have given. So we'll start. Okay, guys, first of all, I would like to say thank you to all of you for giving out so much of love to my hostel tour video. Like, it's like one of the most watched video of my channel, and I would like to say sorry for the background noises. I'm in hostel and making all these videos, and I'm outside, so you're getting like continuous noise from outside. Okay, so we'll start with the questions. These are the questions I have written down from the comment section, so I hope it really helps. So first question is, what is the fee structure? So it's around, I won't tell you the exact amount. I mean, it might change. So फिर आप लोग मेरे पीछे पड़ जाओगे. No, just kidding. It's like around 1,50,000. Okay. The most important question: how are the hostel rules strict? Okay, first, if I'm honest, I'll tell you they treat us like school kids, like literally school kids, and which is annoying. But then right now I'm searching for PGs or flats around, and if you talk about the facilities in the hostel, I would say it's so much like you'll feel like you're in a palace if you go around and check out all the PGs and all PGs and shit PGs around. You'll feel that like hostel is much better, like, yeah. Okay, so the next question is the outing scene. That is like if you're going out for a night stay or something, for that you have to give a like you have to fill a form and give it to the warden one day beforehand, and also your parents have to send the warden a message. Yeah. Okay, next one of the most asked questions: the curfew timings of the hostel. It's still 7 on the weekdays, and on Sunday it's till 8, which is like not enough for everyone, so they tend to leave hostel because they want to hang out at night and all. So if you are a person who likes to hang out at night, do not come to hostel, do not. Food, how do I tell about this? So if you're a South Indian, it's gonna be okay for you, but if you're a North Indian, no offense to South Indians, but like okay, one of my South Indian friend is just sitting beside me and she just gave me a tuck. Okay, so if you're a North Indian and you don't like South Indian food, then it's gonna be a little hard because people goddamn eat curd rice like all the time here. I'm not questioning or judging, but no, like I can't survive like that. But it's not bad. It's not bad. They'll give you chicken if you're non-vegetarian. Sorry to the vegetarians. If you're a non-vegetarian, they'll give you non-veg only one day. That is Sunday. That is so unfair. Okay, and yeah, you'll get egg one day. That is on Wednesdays. That's pretty much about the hostel food. Okay, the timings of the food is you'll get breakfast from 7 to 8, and that also timings differ on Saturday and Sundays. Lunch from 1 to 2, lunch from 1 to 2, and then dinner is from 7:30 to 8:30 every day, and on Sundays 8 to 9. And okay, also I would like to tell one thing. ये जो hostels है ना, these hostels are not under PES. It is managed by some other person, and they have just collaborated with our university. Also, our hostel is outside the college, it's not inside the campus. And like they have 5 units, that is 5 different hostels for girls, unit 1 to 5, and I specifically tell my experience because I live in unit 2. So whatever I'm saying, it's basically it's all the same things, just I think rooms and all might differ, and also your fee structure and all, it might differ, like how many beds, like how many sharings you take. Like 4 sharing has different fee structure, 3 sharing has different fee structure. So yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, so now the next question is, do we have to wash our own clothes? Okay, so for this I will reply according to what happens in my hostel. I think it happens in every other hostel like this only, all the units. So you'll be assigned like suppose ground floor will be assigned on Mondays, that you can give your clothes for washing, and a maximum number of clothes you can give is 8 clothes. Yeah, and then it goes day wise, like on Tuesdays second floor, on Thursdays third floor, and like that. Yeah, that's pretty much. You don't have to wash your clothes, like, yeah. Okay, so the most important thing what you should have when you're exiting and entering hostel is this Mangal Sutra of yours. Like, this is one of the most important thing. Like, they won't let you enter or exit without this from hostel. I'm so sorry for the background noises and thing. So yeah, now we'll talk about the safety and security. It's pretty much secure, and you'll be safe inside, so you don't have to worry. And I'm so sorry about, oh, we have the security uncle right here, like, so you can see, like, we have security guards like day night protecting us, I guess, but you should be careful, like. Okay, and then what else can we talk about in hostel? Wi-Fi. We have Wi-Fi, but it doesn't work for all the rooms. If you're near the Wi-Fi routers, like your room is near the Wi-Fi routers, you will get good Wi-Fi. Otherwise, no, you can't. Yeah. Okay, one more thing. We have a study hall. I think you have like seen it in the hostel tour that I gave. That's pretty much about it. I have, I think, answered all of your questions, and if you have any more questions, you can always ask me in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer. And also, it might get little late because I am busy and I check, but like, okay, I'll try to reply as much as possible. I am really grateful to you guys for watching all my videos, like, and giving so much of love. And okay, so thank you for giving so much love to my previous like hostel tour video. It's like the most watched video in my channel. Oh my god. Okay, so I'll be ending the video here today. I hope you guys watch this, and yeah, if you have any more questions, you can always ask me, as I said. And I would like to thank my friend Pragna for helping me out for this video. Yeah, thank you, Pragna. And yeah, also I have been thinking about getting my friends, and she's from BBA Analytics. I just get confused with BCom and BBA all the time. Okay, so if you wanna,
that's because we have uniforms.
Yeah, they look like. Okay, I can't criticize. Okay, sorry. Okay, so yeah, if you guys wanna watch people getting interviewed in my channel about the college courses and all, do DM or comment in my YouTube video. I'll be making a video with them soon. Love you guys. Thank you for watching my video.